Data security and unique identifiers sounds important, right? Well, what if I told you JavaScript has a built-in way to handle that with something called symbols? In our last video, I promised we will explore symbols in a separate video. So today, we are doing just that. Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to the JavaScript from Zero to Hero course. If you have been following along, you know we have covered the basic data types and now it's time to explore something more advanced, the symbol data type. This little known feature of JavaScript can make a big difference in how you manage your code. Now what exactly is symbol? A symbol in JavaScript is a unique and immutable data type. It's like a special ID that's always different from any other ID, even if it looks the same. This makes symbols perfect for creating unique keys in object. You might be thinking, why not just use strings or numbers? Well, symbols help avoid name clashes when you have multiple keys in objects. For example, if you're working on a big project with other developers, using symbols can prevent accidental overwriting of properties. So let's jump to Visual Studio Code and see how to create a symbol. So here, I'm going to create a new file named symbols.js. Let's declare a variable with lead keyword, my symbol, and then type here symbol. And after that, some description. Here, description is optional and it's just a label for your symbol. It doesn't affect the uniqueness. Now let's use a symbol as a key in an object. So after this variable, I'm going to create an object user and inside it, let's add the first key name John. And after that, let's use this symbol as a key. So in the bracket, I'm adding my symbol and then setting the value to something like a unique ID. The value could be anything. Now let's console log this key. So console.log and then console.log user. After that, type the symbol that we have created, my symbol. Let's run the code. So in the terminal, you can see the value here, unique ID. So see how we used the symbol as a key. This key is now guaranteed to be unique. Remember, symbols are different from strings and numbers. Even if you create two symbols with the same description, they are still unique. So let's see it practically. Now here, I'm going to create a symbol 1. So let's name it sim1 equals to symbol and adding a description ID. It's totally optional. Now let's duplicate it. So to duplicate, press Shift, Alt and down arrow. Now let's rename the variable to sim2 and now let's check it if they are same or not. So console.log sim1 triple equals to sim2. So here I have used an operator, so we will explore about operators in our upcoming videos. Now let's run the code again. So in the terminal you can see the value is false, which means sim1 and sim2 is not the same. No two symbols are the same. This is what makes them so powerful. Symbols are not just for unique object keys. They are also used in built-in JavaScript functionalities like iterators. But don't worry, we will cover that in our another video. So there you have it, a quick dive into symbol data type in JavaScript. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. I'll attach a link over there. This video is a part of a JavaScript from Zero to Hero course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.